our team here for this matchup. Ball is up and we are underway, and to save, and he misses. Gamboa with the rebound. Colliar back at the controls. Ramos will pull up. Got it.
No doubt how Aldrich Ramos
dumps it to Aldrich Ramos. Gamboa got it. Ganda ng pasa ni Aldrich.
Although there has been a tweak with the start, be one of the things that he's gonna really have to try and look at. Those times that he tries to go all the way to the basket, as we see Saban.
Points have come from the free throw line. Panganiban. Oh, switching hands. Nag-Renz Palma.
Mukhang nagkapanahon pa para magkape sa ere. Tagal niya dun eh.
Egilos inside. That's the first field goal for Pampanga. Coming
bigs where really you have the strength itong Pampanga.
Mike Calisan. Fast break ang Pampanga. Faundo the trailer. Faundo, that's a tough shot. He puts it in, plus the foul.
That is more of his calling card. Jeep hasn't been good the past couple of matches.
Mike Calisan scores underneath. 14-11. Lumapit. The kick out to Papa Ray. A three. Yes. It's probably the cleanest look at. Here comes San Juan. Viloria gets it back. Calisan puts it in.
Maybe not the way.
Nowhere to go. Labas kay Clemente. And Clemente finding a way through.
He had to improvise there. Suddenly left wide, and because of that little sidestep that he made, he was able to free himself up.
Calisan banks it in. 21-13. Calisan. Pampanga only 2. GP Faundo. Yes. It's 21-15. May 5 puntos na. His energy. Orlan Mamar rattles that one home. That's your 3-point king. Trying to find Alcoriza there. Instead, it's a turnover. And Orlan Mamar will lay it in.
A lot of indecision on the part of
Fast strip. It's a foot race. Alforque. The question, yan ang malaking tanong. Could this be it for San Juan? For the wait to end? Turns. Egilos makes his move. Jamo finds a Lars! Gusto ko yan. That's better from Pampanga.
Exactly. You know, if
pag-verify. Archie, foot on the line. No. Larry, yes.
now, this is where Larry Muyang will be, I think.
Archie Concepcion, he, kumbaga, he hears the noise.
Oh yeah, he is not. He's not
immune
to that.
Gamboa, great defense. Colliar, and he knocks down the 3.
And that.
Here's Sabandal, wide open. Gamboa knocks it down. How easy has this been for San Juan in getting those open looks, Javi?
One thing happens, it's the guard going into the teeth of the defense. Again, another turnover for Pampanga. And then kicking it out to an open guy that could really produce.
Muyang, the kick out. Mina knocks down the 3. That's a badly needed basket. Panganiban is a mismatch here. Panganiban inside, easy too for Nico. They've gotten away with the travel there. Panganiban is away. Panganiban will score.
They are cruising right now.
Punta kay Aldrich Ramos. Gamboa one-on-one. Here we go. Arvin Gamboa, what a move.
In seasons past, kakabahan yan si Arvin pag ganyan mga sitwasyon eh. But now he is really...
Parang nanlaki nga yung mata eh. Joem. Gamboa. Yes, sir. What a shot and what a play. So alanganin yung pasa. Nermal goes up high and for the offensive rebound para sa basket na yon.
But once again,
Fa, atake sa gitna. He gets the roll. It's really not your day, execution-wise. You just have to work harder. And that's what I'm talking about here, GP Faundo.
GP Faundo.
Damang dito, 19 to kanina.
Oh, dahil kung pinapanood mo without really knowing what's happened, you would think 20-25 na yung lamang dito ng San Juan. But
the rim there for the Giant Lanterns, but they get a steal here. Here's the Lata. Make sure this time. And he puts it in. Pampanga really just struggling, 11, 13, and 18, but much better scoring in the third quarter.
they made more of...
Like that.
Baka kung saan pa tayo mapunta.
Oh, Faundo inside. La Lata powers through. Now, you can use your length. And John Ashtifa. Yung humabol sa kanya, isa dun sa mga player na makakahabol talaga sa kanya. Look at the fight between Muyang and Maikes sa ilalim. Lars puts it in. Able to get in position there. 13 in the ball game para kay Lars. Still a 9-point lead here for San Juan. Kalisaan inside. Easy two.
No, but...
May mintis na yata siya, no? Ayun,
yeah.
May mintis na. Oh, Binuya. Look what I found. 8 points ang lamang. Nababat. Kalisaan will lay it in. Those were...
To get closer sa laro na to. Could have dropped the lead down to 6 points. Could have been even 4. Kung nag-back-to-back baskets with this one.
Gamboa defending Mina. Nakawala si Allen Mina. And it's down to 6 here. Here comes Raymond. They have numbers here. Archie. Oh, look at Archie fly. It's down. Mina. They need a good shot here, Pampanga. Allen fires. Yes!
Oh my
it's
goodness.
Down to 2.
It hasn't been the prettiest of games, that's for sure. But you gotta admire how Pampanga has clawed their way back into this.
Fighting tooth and nail there for space underneath. It ends up with a Binuya miss. Panganiban attacks and scores. The response was quick.
The other side, because San Juan, make or miss, they're looking to quicken the pace.
Archie drives and scores. It's back to 4. It's over the drop pass. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Colliar backs it in.
For me, that's just unacceptable.
There's a switch here. Panganiban will drive, blocked by Concepcion. Kalisaan underneath. To the corner, Nico. Short rebound ni Allen Mina, fouled by Panganiban. Pwede pa to.
Yeah.
Sa atin for watching from Taguig. Allen Mina, 14 points in the ball game. San Juan.
Tama ka dyan. He's hit some big shots here in the fourth.
It's short. Fa finds Muyang from the corner. Got it. 3-pointer galing kay Larry Muyang. Trims the gap to just 3. It goes to Orlan Omar. Colliar. A lot of time taken off. 4 na segundo rin na natanggal doon sa oras.
Receive the basketball. He was able to get to that rock, but just quickly pass it off to JC.
Natin that is growing and maturing. And he got that's it to Muyang. Back to John Ashley Fa. Back to Lars. 3-pointer. Got it. 9.8 seconds remaining. And Larry Muyang, he will have a chance to tie this one here. Bagsak si Wamar. Ramos is in trouble, but He is fouled.
Lot of contact. Watch this here. See John Ashley pa really making it hard for Orlan Mamar, and then he bumps into Alan Mina. He falls down.
Medyo na-exaggerate na rin yung contact mo.
Mismo, he was really trying to go for a whistle.
Eric Di Matulak and Senator Jingo Estrada right in the middle of the court. No choice but to go here. Mina, that won't count, and that will do it. For the second straight season, San Juan will take the regular season matchup against the Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Some nice passes from the San Juan guards and making those big shots underneath, helping